The Cleanpethome self-cleaning cat litter box is an innovative solution designed to simplify the task of maintaining a clean litter box for cat owners. With features like automatic cleaning, odor removal, and app control, it aims to provide convenience and efficiency in managing cat waste. In this comprehensive review, we'll examine its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money to help consumers make an informed decision. Features: automatic cleaning. The self-cleaning mechanism of this litter box automatically scoops waste after each use, minimizing the need for manual intervention and ensuring a consistently clean environment for your cat. App control. The integration of app control allows users to monitor and control the litter box remotely, providing convenience and flexibility in managing cat waste disposal. Odor removal. The litter box features an odor removal system that helps to eliminate unpleasant odors, ensuring a fresh and hygienic environment for both cats and owners. Safety protection. With safety features in place, such as sensors to detect the presence of a cat inside the box, it ensures safe operation and prevents accidents. Performance. The performance of the Cleanpethome self-cleaning cat litter box is generally commendable. The automatic cleaning function effectively removes waste, keeping the litter box clean and hygienic. The app control feature adds convenience by allowing users to schedule cleaning cycles and monitor the litter box's status remotely. The odor removal system also works effectively in minimizing unpleasant odors, creating a more pleasant environment for both cats and owners. Ease of use. The litter box is relatively easy to set up and use, with straightforward instructions provided in the user manual. The app interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to control and monitor the litter box remotely. However, some users may find the initial setup process slightly time-consuming, especially when connecting the litter box to the app for the first time. Additionally, occasional maintenance tasks, such as replacing waste receptacles and cleaning the litter tray, require some effort but are manageable overall. Value for money. The Cleanpethome self-cleaning cat litter box is priced at a premium compared to traditional litter boxes. While the initial investment may seem high, the convenience and efficiency it offers can justify the cost for many cat owners, especially those with multiple cats or busy schedules. However, the long-term durability and reliability of the product may vary, and some users may find the ongoing costs associated with disposable waste receptacles to be a drawback. Pros. 1. Automatic cleaning saves time and effort. App control adds convenience and flexibility. Effective odor removal enhances hygiene. Safety features ensure peace of mind for pet owners. Cons. 1. Initial setup process may be time-consuming. Ongoing costs of disposable waste receptacles. Long-term durability and reliability may vary. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet care tips and product reviews. And if you've already tried the Cleanpethome litter box, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Pet lovers, smiling cat with heart eyes.